Emerson Actuation Pneumatic Quick Sizing. To access Pneumatic Quick Sizing, search for product, say Betis RPX. Select the RPX model and click on Size from Product page to size any pneumatic product. Select Operating Environment, Power Source, Valve Type, Actuator Technology and click Next. Enter line number, minimum and maximum pressure, and click on Next. Select valve type, valve torque and click on Proceed to Sizing. If you have any actuator preference, select specific models or select all and click on Size. The tool will display recommended models based on your selections. Select the model and click on Run Report. Once torque values are generated, click on Export to download the torque values for the sized product. For any questions, please click on Send a Message to reach out to our customer service team, available 24/7.